Ever feel like your life is too full? Too full of stuff, stress, and endless to-dos? You're not alone, but here's the good news. Living with less can actually give you more. More time, more money, and more peace of mind. Welcome to Nomora, where we inspire you to thrive with less. Today we'll share 5 powerful minimalist habits to help you simplify your life and focus on what truly matters. Stick with me, because these 5 simple habits can transform your life. And trust me, habit number 5 will make you rethink your entire day. Let's start with habit number 1, the one in, one out rule. Here's how it works. Every time you bring something new into your life, something old has to go. Bought a new pair of shoes? Donate or recycle an old pair. Got a new book? Pass an old one onto a friend or library. When I first tried the one in, one out rule, I started with my kitchen. It was shocking to see how many gadgets I had that I never used. By the end of the day, I had 3 boxes of donations, and I hadn't even touched my closet yet. After donating 10 shirts I hadn't worn in years, I realized I didn't even miss them. And it felt like a weight was lifted. This isn't just about decluttering, it's about breaking the cycle of accumulation. Did you know the average household has over 300,000 items? That's enough to fill a small warehouse. Imagine how much time we waste managing all that stuff. By using this habit, you'll save space and money by being more intentional about what you buy. According to professional organizer Dana K. White, clutter is nothing more than postponed decisions. Not ready to donate something immediately? Create a maybe box. Put items you're unsure about in the box, seal it, and revisit it in 30 days. If you didn't miss it, it's time to let it go. What's the one area in your home that feels the most overwhelming? I'd love to know what you're tackling first. Here's a challenge. This week, apply the one in, one out rule to just one category: clothes, books, or kitchen gadgets. Count how many items you remove and share your number in the comments. Habit 2. Simplify meal planning. Did you know the average household wastes over $1,500 worth of food each year? That's a vacation budget going straight to the trash. Simplifying meal planning can save you money, reduce stress, and cut down on waste. Start by checking what's already in your fridge and pantry. Build meals around those ingredients before shopping. As food writer Tamar Adler puts it, a good meal is built on what you already have. Batch cooking is another lifesaver. Prepare meals for the week ahead and store them in reusable containers. Bonus tip: keep a leftovers day in your weekly plan to use up everything before it spoils. Challenge: plan 3 meals this week without buying anything new. Use apps like Yumly to get creative with what you have. Post your favorite recipe idea in the comments. Habit 3. Quality over quantity. How many times have you replaced a cheap item when you could have just bought a quality piece once? This habit focuses on buying fewer, high-quality items instead of lots of cheap ones that don't last. I used to buy trendy shoes every season, but they never lasted. Now, I invest in high-quality pieces I can wear for years, and my wallet and the planet thank me for it. Vivienne Westwood said it best: buy less, choose well, make it last. This mindset not only saves money, but also reduces waste and supports sustainable brands. Challenge: pick one category, like shoes or kitchen tools, and research a high-quality, sustainable option. Compare its long-term cost to cheaper alternatives. Let me know your findings below. Habit 4. Pause before buying. Impulse purchases might feel good in the moment, but they can lead to buyer's remorse and cluttered spaces. Enter the pause rule. For small purchases, wait 24 hours before buying. For larger ones, give it 30 days. Behavioral economist Dan Ariely explains that waiting cools emotional buying and leads to smarter decisions. Here's the kicker. Studies show 80% of impulse purchases are never used. Challenge. Start a wish list for everything you want this month. After 30 days, review it and cross off what no longer feels essential. Share how much you saved. Habit 5. Declutter your digital life. Clutter isn't just physical, it's digital too. How often do you get distracted by messy desktops, constant notifications, or an overflowing inbox? Decluttering your digital life saves time and reduces stress. Start with your email. Unsubscribe from newsletters you don't read and delete old messages. Next, tackle your phone. Remove unused apps and organize the rest into folders. Try setting a limit for apps on your home screen. For example, I only keep 10 apps visible at a time. Everything else is in folders or deleted entirely. Create a digital cleanup day. Schedule 30 minutes monthly to clean out your inbox and delete unnecessary files. Finally, clear your desktop and back up important files. As digital minimalism advocate Cal Newport says, focus your online time on a small number of activities that strongly support things you value. How much time do you think you spend scrolling every day? Track it for one day and share your results. I bet it'll surprise you. Decluttering isn't about perfection. It's about creating space for what matters most. These 5 habits will not only simplify your life, but also save money, time, and peace of mind. As Joshua Becker said, the first step in crafting the life you want is to get rid of everything you don't. And there you have it, 5 simple habits to save money, free up time, and bring peace into your life. Which habit will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore more ways to thrive with less. Remember, less isn't about having nothing. It's about having what truly matters. Thanks for watching.